What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. घर पे था, बोर्ड हो गया. सो अरे यार इतना हॉर्न बजा दिया पब्लिक अपने यहाँ पे. I swear to God. Okay, so I was just bored at home and I came up on the terrace just to chill. So another thing is that Akshata is at Baroda. She's been there for a couple of days now, and I'm just wondering what she must be doing right now.
Hello you guys. So today I am taking over the channel and I have something fun planned for you guys. So I'm in Baroda with my parents and this is the place where my mom grew up. My brother and I used to come here every single vacation with our grandparents and we have such fond memories of this place. So we are here for about 3 days and today we are gonna go see the Statue of Unity. It's pretty early in the morning and it's so cold. Like you can see, I'm wearing my jacket. It's about 10 to 15 degrees throughout the day, so this is actually what winter feels like and such a good change from the Bombay weather. So stick around you guys for a fun-filled day. Good morning from Baroda. It is 8:30 in the morning and we are headed to the Statue of Unity. This is my brother Advait, this is my cousin Arusha, that's the rest of the family. And we are getting super late, so I'll see you guys from there. Okay, so we just reached the Statue of Unity and it is about 1.5 hours from where I stay, and now we have to go to the tourist.
Oh my God! Hey Peter! इस कस्टमर का अंगूठा काट दे! अरे रिमोट का बटन इतना दबाता है कोई!
Center right there and get tickets for the entry pass. So let's go. FYI, it's closed on Monday, so plan your trips accordingly. You can't take your cars inside to the Statue of Unity, but they have like these kind of hop on hop off buses. So you know, they are every like 5 to 10 minutes. Huge, and there is a viewing gallery right there, so that's where we are going. Good planning for old people. Would you look at the line? The old map of India versus the current states. Observation deck, and the lift is really fast. Like we reached in 38 seconds, and that is the Narmada river behind me and the dam right there. are standing at the toe of the statue, and like it's insane how big this is. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. You can't even see the face from here. Like it's insane. That is just the foot. Having some ice cream. Cheers! We have spent about 3 hours here, and it's really nice. We should be really proud that we have Asia's tallest statue right here in India. So I would definitely suggest to visit this place. See you guys in the next one. So I'm at the airport waiting for our flight to board, and it was an amazing 3 days, very relaxing, and so we are waiting at the airport for our flight to board, and it was a wonderful 3 days, very relaxing. So we had a great time here, and hope you guys enjoyed our vlog.
Oh.